All right, hey everybody. So today is a little different week since it is shortened. So you'll see it says Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, this just means you have 3 days to complete this workout and get it turned in. So Wednesday is going to be your due date. You're welcome because I'm nice. But this is a fun one, so I want you guys to do it when you definitely have time and can enjoy it. All right, so it's called an Orange Theory workout. I don't know if you guys have heard of Orange Theory before. It's a class that's based around heart rate zones. Okay, so it's very similar to our individual fitness class. During quarantine, they posted free YouTube videos, so that's what I did at home a lot. And I'd been doing a bunch of them. It's a good workout, it's a good challenge, and they're kind of fun. So you have up until Wednesday to do this one. All right, so for this workout, you're just going to click on this video and watch them. Some of the exercises might be difficult. Rest when you need to. Have some water nearby. You may stop the video after block number 2. Okay, so once you watch the video and you get all the way to the 22-minute and 50-second mark, okay, if you want, go ahead and stop it so you can do your homework. Okay, this is just because I don't want it to be more than a 30-minute class for you. If you want to finish the video, go ahead. But I'm just saying don't stop it at the 2-minute mark. Okay, go to 22 minutes and 50 seconds. That's after block 2. And then go complete the exit ticket. Okay, so your exit ticket for today is going to be a video reflection of 2 exercises. Okay, and you have to include this stuff, your name, as always. Record yourself doing 5 reps of your favorite exercise from block 1, 5 reps of your least favorite exercise from block 2. So as you watch the video, you will know what I mean. So if you're confused, you probably haven't watched the video yet. As you work out, it'll say, all right, we're doing block 1. There'll be a certain amount of exercises. Then you'll get to block 2. You'll do those exercises, and then you'll shut it off after block 2 to do this video. Okay, so your favorite exercise from block 1, 5 of your least favorite exercise from block 2. All right, you have until Wednesday to get this done, and then enjoy your nice long weekend.